This week, we're going to learn how to make stunning alcohol ink flowers with dreamy, diffused backgrounds. This technique is perfect for beginners to create beautiful results every time. So let's watch and get inspired together. Okay, I'm going to race in the sun today. It is currently off in that direction, so I've got probably a good 45 minutes before this gets all flooded with either light or with shadow. I'm not sure which is yet. So today we're playing with an alcohol ink again today. This is as advised by someone last week. I think it was, I'll have to go check. But they recommend that I try freezer paper. Easy to find, not horribly expensive, and it has this beautiful plasticized side. So I'm hoping this is going to give me some flexibility. It's not hard, and you can tell that it actually moves quite a bit, but we'll see how it does. Hopefully it doesn't pucker up too much. So without too much, I'm going to start from my favorite corner. Now this corner, not really sure. Let's go from this corner, make a spray up. And basically I'm just going to put on some colors and see how we do. So I don't have anything specific in line I'm going to try for. I did see some florals this week that kind of were really interesting to me. It's old hat for most that do alcohol inks, but we're going to see how I do with it. Let's see. I'm not entirely sure that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be working with the color Yonder, which is brand new to my palette this week. This is a Ranger paint. I'm going to do a little bit more playing with, this is Stonewash. I may add some in there for contrast, but mostly what I really want to play with is some more pitch black. So let's start. As Drew would say, it's time to do the YouTube thing. Like, share, and subscribe. Back to it. See me putting down is my isopropyl alcohol. It's 99%. I changed over to 91% because I was noticing it was drying way too fast for me. So when I'm trying to do detail work, 99 seems to work real well, where when I'm doing detail work, 99 works really well. But for the general spray, 91 gets the job done, doesn't dry quite as fast, evaporate quite so fast. This has been Thursday Trend. Up next is going to be Justin Eats, followed by Art by Julie E. So stick around and see what they come up with. Let's take it down for a closer look. As you can see, I lost my light. So you're not going to be able to see some of the details. But I'll take it down and show you what I got. I did get some nice little wispy lines through, which I was looking for. I'm not sure my background is exactly what I was looking for, but it works. See, up here is my floral. Now, I added some colors to what we originally talked about. There's some sunshine yellow, that's pinata. I think the other one was something orange, and then Dijon yellow. So, and then down here, that's rainforest green. So, it's just to give me that, I guess you could call it a impressionistic flower. Shouldn't have color realism, but this was fun, and it was a great way to practice and see how I could control the inks. So that's it for today, and I'll take you down and we'll do a little bit more of a slow and easy. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope you got something out of this. So, until next time, bye for now.